Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget Bluetooth speaker to Samsung mobile. Guys we have connected guys any Bluetooth speaker and guys you want to forget to your phone. Well, how can we forget guys our Bluetooth speaker to our Samsung phone? In this video friends I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting to forget our Bluetooth speaker. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see phone connection setting guys, tap here. Guys, you can see your one device connected setting, Bluetooth setting, friends, tap here. So friends, you can see guys, we have connected the JBL company speaker and guys, we want to forget this device. So then how can we forget this Bluetooth device? Right side guys, tap here and friends, you can see rename option. Friends, you want to rename guys your speaker name. So when you can rename guys, you can change your speaker name from here. Friends, you can see guys this call and audio setting you can on and off from here. Unpair option guys, tap here to forget. Then guys, it will forget to your phone. Then guys, you cannot use the speaker guys you want to use, you will have to connect again guys. So guys, speaker will forget. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys, we will of our phone Bluetooth setting. Bye friend, before going please go and like the video.